Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the wonders of innovation and discovery. Today, I've got a tale that's bound to light up your life, quite literally. We're going to explore the fascinating story behind one of the most transformative inventions in human history. We're diving into the spark of innovation that illuminated the world as we know it, Thomas Alva Edison's light bulb. Edison, a prolific inventor, was driven by a relentless curiosity and a desire to solve problems that others deemed impossible. Back in 1879, Edison did something truly remarkable. He didn't just invent a light bulb, he created a practical, long-lasting source of light that would change the way people lived and worked. He introduced the first practical, incandescent light bulb. This wasn't just a minor improvement, it was a revolutionary leap forward. Before this, people used hazardous gas lamps. These lamps were not only inefficient but also posed significant risks, including the constant threat of fire. Can you imagine living in constant fear of a fire breaking out just to have some light? It was a daily reality for many. Edison's invention didn't just change that, it revolutionized it. His light bulb provided a safer, more reliable source of light that could be used in homes, streets, and workplaces. Through relentless experimentation, Edison discovered that a carbonized cotton thread filament could emit a steady glow when placed inside a vacuum-sealed glass bulb. This discovery was the key to creating a light bulb that was both practical and economical. This might sound simple now, but back then, it was groundbreaking. The idea of a reliable, long-lasting light source was something that had eluded inventors for years. The key was making it reliable, economical, and long-lasting. And Edison nailed it. His light bulb could last for up to 1,200 hours, a feat that was unheard of at the time. This innovation didn't just brighten homes, it transformed life itself. People could now extend their activities into the night, leading to longer working hours and more leisure time. Imagine a time when the sun set and the world plunged into darkness. The arrival of Edison's light bulb changed all that, bringing light to the night and transforming society. With Edison's light bulb, nights became alive with possibilities. Cities could now be illuminated, making them safer and more vibrant places to live. Homes, workplaces, and public spaces all began to glow, setting the stage for the modern electric systems we rely on today. This was the dawn of a new era, where electricity would become a fundamental part of daily life. But the light bulb was just the beginning. Edison's success with the light bulb paved the way for a multitude of other electrical innovations. It sparked a wave of inventions. Electrical appliances, the phonograph, and even advanced versions like LED bulbs all owe their existence to Edison's bright idea. His work laid the foundation for the electrical age. Electrical appliances, the phonograph, and even advanced versions like LED bulbs all owe their existence to Edison's bright idea. His work laid the foundation for the electrical age. The light bulb also paved the way for the expansion of electrical power grids. These grids would become the backbone of modern infrastructure, delivering electricity to homes and businesses across the globe. The largest and world's first electrical power grid was built in 1895 in Niagara Falls. This monumental achievement demonstrated the potential of electrical power on a grand scale. This grid didn't just power homes, it powered progress. Factories, industries, and entire cities were transformed by the availability of reliable electrical power. Edison's light bulb wasn't just an invention, it was a catalyst. It set off a chain reaction of technological advancements that continue to shape our world today. It changed how we live, work, and play. The simple act of flipping a switch to illuminate a room is something we often take for granted, but it's a testament to Edison's genius. So next time you flick a switch, take a moment to appreciate the brilliance of Edison's bright idea. Thanks for watching. Remember, every time you turn on a light, you're experiencing a piece of history. If you enjoyed this enlightening journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more fascinating stories to light. Keep exploring and stay curious. There's always more to discover in the world of science and innovation.